So today, oh my goodness, we're gonna back to China. First time to bring baby. I'm gonna share a little bit information if you wanna know how to bring baby flight. Mungkin udah ada sebagian orang yang tahu dan mungkin ada yang belum, tapi ya gue cuma pengen share aja sih. Dan for your information, my baby is just 2 months, more than 2 months, maybe almost 3 months. Yeah, in 2 weeks again. Hi, my baby. Hi. Bye bye, auntie.
Jangan pergi, Dede. Jangan pergi, Dede. Jangan pergi. Jangan pergi, Dede.
Drama. Wish us luck. Wish us luck. And this man is sick.
I'm not sick at all.
Sick.
Not yet.
Weak. Okay, see you later.
你是南方人吗？
我不是南方人，
哪边的？
我是山东的。
山东的。
对，
哦。霸气，霸气。那太牛了。啊？来这里，这。
到了。
这。
哦，好嘞。
稍微。打个跳灯吧，停在路上。
靠边没事的。
We arrive. Yeah. Oh, ini why? Oh, hi. Finally, we arrive at home, and yeah, Elle is here. What's up, Elle? Yes, she said hi. Hi. Oh, okay. So I already arrived at home, and yeah, this is my home. This is my room. So ini tuh kayak kamar pengantin baru sebenarnya. Waktu itu direnov apa? I don't know. Direnov atau memang udah sebelum suami gue nikah udah dibikin kayak gini. Tapi ya it's so beautiful. The light is really beautiful, but later I'm gonna show you. And here I'm with this one. Oh, I'm sorry. Hari ini suhunya itu mungkin sekitar 12 derajat ya. Dan besok pagi akan lebih dingin. Sebenarnya ini nggak terlalu dingin sih dari bulan Februari kemarin yang gue datang ke sini itu pas gue masih hamil. Itu dingin banget ya. Sampai minus 1. Sumpah demi apapun mendingan dingin AC, bener-bener dingin AC. Gue suka banget. Tapi kalau dingin cuaca give up. How about you? Do you like this weather? Huh? think yes. Because you are Chinese, right? I'm Indonesian, Elle. And you are half Chinese. She always wanna suck her hand. So we're gonna take a rest, and what are we gonna do tomorrow? Maybe just home, or actually I wanna show you like maybe shopping here or something, but let me see. I will figure it out tomorrow. See ya. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh my god, your hand cold. Bye. Yeah. Good morning. Cold.
Putih, kedai. Cua về sập có đấy. Putih. Ini loh fungsi kedai dah kan. Ini kau luar. Mesti ni paru kata ni dulu ni lah. Tu kalau ya begini lah.